everybody, and welcome to today's video. I thought it'd be fun to just talk about the Boxycharm add-ons that we are seeing for July 2021. Of course, an important date where you can jump in there, pick your base and your premium choice. And I don't know what the choices are just yet, but y'all know. Your girl's gonna be back and we're gonna be talking about it, but today I thought it would just be fun to sit down and talk about some of the add-ons. Little excited about what I'm seeing, a little bit better than pop-up. Weird, I know. Anyways, that was the longest intro ever. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I did this simple no foundation, no concealer look. I'll try and get that over to Instagram ASAP. Super, in my opinion, pretty doggone easy. It's when I don't feel like putting much makeup on. Okay, you know what? When I don't feel like going through the whole mother trucking thing. You know what I mean? Anyways, over here, we keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start off with what is Boxycharm. If you are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm does offer 2 monthly subscriptions, base and premium. Base is going to cost you $25 a month. You get about $125 worth of goodies in there, and you do get to customize one of the items. I'll be back to go over what those choice items are. And then of course we have the premium box. Now the premium box is $35 a month, and now you do get to customize, as of right now, 2 of the items in that box, and you receive about $175 worth of goodies. So that is what we're going to be focusing on this month, and all the sneak peek spoilers will be all about the base and the premium. So that's what you're going to see here. Pretty much every video that comes after this one is about sneak peek spoilers for those 2. Now of course there is BoxyLuxe, which for the month of June we did have, and you do get to customize a couple items in there, and you typically see about over $275–300 worth of goodies. We're not going to focus on that. That doesn't matter this month. So let's go ahead and talk about the important date that is coming up for choices. Now, what you're going to want to do is mark your calendars, because honestly, when it's add-ons, it's not as crazy as pop-up. Pop-up literally shut the whole website down, but we're not gonna have to worry about that. The big important date is going to be June 14th. It is a Monday, and this is when of course you make your choice items for base and premium, and then you get to shop. And I have to say, I was not overly thrilled with pop-up. I did pick up a couple items. Y'all saw the haul, the little haul that I did as far as that went. But what we're seeing for add-ons right now has me super uber excited. So let's just go ahead and talk about some of the items we are seeing. We are seeing the Dragon Beauty Translucent Setting Powder. Now you're getting this for 55% off, and it's gonna cost only $9. Now I've actually heard really good things about some of the Dragon Beauty line. Now y'all know when it comes to me and makeup, I just focus on makeup. I don't pay attention to like who makes it, you know what I mean? I just like to play in makeup. So I'm actually pretty curious about trying this out. We're seeing one size products once again, which we have seen some in the past, actually with Ipsy and Boxy. We're going to see their Point Made 24-hour liquid liner. This is going to be 68% off. That's a nice thing with add-ons, is you see about 70% off of a lot of products, or up to. This one's 68% off. It's only going to be $6. Y'all, if you've been with me for a while, you know your girl has a shopping problem, to the point that anytime anything was being released at Sephora or Ulta or whoever was releasing it, I was on it and I was reviewing it and all of that. And then I did my taxes and realized how much money I was actually spending. And then I was like, girl, why don't you just wait until you find these things on sale? So that's what I do. And that's when I shop the add-ons. Anyone who has add-ons in their subscription, this is when I pick up a lot of these products, because why not, you know? For example, we have an Artist Contour. This is the Erythral, however you say it, Bloom eyeshadow palette. Y'all, it's typically 30 bucks, but Boxycharm is gonna have it for 18. One thing that I think is going to go insanely fast, and I do definitely want to get my hands on this because I've heard nothing but amazing things, the Lunar Beauty lip glosses. They're typically $17 a piece, and they're going to be in Boxy add-ons for only $9. Yeah, that's 47% off. Like, that has me excited. Now, if y'all wanted to stock up, which this is another wonderful way to add to your skincare collection, if this is how you know, really try and focus in on getting as much skincare as you can, add-ons, great way to do it. If you were wanting the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, that was something that we saw, was it in Luxe Premium? I don't know. Y'all know my brain is poo, so did I get it? Yes. Do I remember which box? No. Welcome to my brain. But it's going to be available for $12. It's regularly $64. I'm not done. I'm not done. This I thought was pretty cool. What I'm on Boxycharm's website right now, and I guess I'll just like roll video of what I'm seeing as I'm talking to y'all about it. What they have available is the Boxy Banana. Now Bonanza. What they're going to do is, it looks like the 14th through I think the 18th, you're going to see different deals going on. So for example, when we see, let me just go back to the 14th here. Okay, so when we see tech deals on Monday the 14th, we're going to see the Numi or Noom. I've not tried this out, but it is a blow dryer. You get a round brush with it, different colors. We're also seeing the straightener and curling wand available. These are typically around $149 to $169, marked down to $39.99 to $49.99. I've not tried it. If y'all have picked it up in the past, definitely let us know down below your thoughts on them. I like the color. We're also seeing PYT hair. This is another ceramic styler. I love the color Peridot. I think this color is so pretty. So this is regularly $250, available for $29.99. It is in multiple different colors. We're also seeing the Nyan Beauty. This looks like it's going to be similar to kind of like the PMD, like that silicone type of facial. I love mine. It has lasted well over a year, but it looks like these are typically $129 and they're going to be available for $39.99. Personally, in my opinion, I've not tried this one, but if it is anything like the PMD cleansers, I would jump on this, and I think this would be really good gifts. Y'all know I tell y'all all the time, this is how I start my Christmas shopping. So we're seeing that, and then the Soleil hair tools. Now, I've not tried any of those, but again, $350 for $29.99, like, that's insane. Then moving on to June 15th, we're going to see more. It's the buy more, save more type of deal. Now, this is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Did Farsali go out of business? Let me know down below. For some reason, I was thinking they did. This is the Rose Gold Elixir. I don't think I have that one. I do have a couple of their little serums, and I do like them. You're gonna get 2 for $25. That's a really good deal. The Lavito Age Away Hydrating Cream is going to be available 2 for $12. Design.me, not sure what this is, but it says it is a hydrating treatment mask, $15 for 2. The Kors Shower Gel. Now I think I'm gonna be picking these up because you get 2 of them for $9, regularly $46. I love bougie shower gels, but I don't like the price of bougie shower gels. So I'm totally okay with picking this up for $9. 2 for $9, like, that's a good deal. There's some Symbiosis London, not for sure on that, but good deal. Saturday Skin, Dr. Brandt spray toner. Then we have Perfect Paris on June 16th, and they have a bunch of, some of the stuff we've seen, like the True and Luscious palette, Luxie brushes, the Tula Skincare, and Pharmacy. Now this is a really good deal. You got the So Smooth Resurfacing Brightening Fruit Enzyme Mask and the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. $18 for both of those. You know that's gonna go fast. I know all the time y'all leave in my comment section how much the Honey Grail oil, facial oil, has been like a game changer for y'all. Now I've personally not tried that, but I've heard nothing but amazing reviews on this product. The next one is a Nilsson J Moisturizing Healing Mask. I'll be real with y'all, I have received this in one of my boxes. I did not like it. It did not hydrate my hair enough, but you are also getting the opportunity for $29 to get the Soleil Hair Tools Heat Brush. So, you know, I mean, maybe you could just pass that along. I don't really know. Next, we're seeing Korres. Again, this is a Lavender Blossom Body Milk. I'm assuming, is that like a lotion? I don't know, but I do like their lotions. I mean, the deals are insane. We're seeing the Grown Alchemist again and the Avient Skincare. That's insane because this is like almost $200 worth of product for 12 bucks, right? $5 blowout on Thursday. Now you know I'm gonna be all over this because we're seeing some IGK. Now this one I'm kind of curious about because it's the Amario Ombre Highlight Spray. I mean, I have to add more color to my hair, but you know I do like to do fun things, you know, like, okay, fun for me. Now, like, my youngest, much more daring with her hair, and so is my oldest. I'm not there yet, but this is, Mama's making progress, you know what I mean? We got the KVD Beauty Epic Curl Vegan Lash, the Frank Body Glow Mask. Not for sure on this. I've seen Frank Body before. Earth Harbor. I did receive the Sunstone Hair, but I've not tried it yet. I mean, there's so many amazing things. Eyeshadows. The HAILEY'S Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow for $5. Kind of want to try it. If y'all did receive that in your past box, let me know your thoughts on it. Does it leave a sticky residue or film or anything? Because I'm definitely curious. Now on Friday, June 18th, they do have past Boxycharm boxes that are going to be sold. Now typically the base boxes are $25. We're going to see these for $19.99. So you know, it's everything from premium, base, and I think I saw a luxe. Yeah, there's some luxe boxes in here as well. So the one, April 2019, the Tatcha mask, I fell in love with that Tatcha sheet mask, the Tatcha sheet mask. Amazing. Anywho, that was just some of the products. Now, if you, little quick tip, letting you all know, if you go and log into your Boxycharm account, go in there. Let's see if I can do it. Am I logged in? Maybe not. I'm still recording. There we go. So if you log in and you see like where it drops down, I'm on my phone, it drops off to the side. You click on shop, click on add-ons, and it'll start showing you some of the products we're going to see, such as like Natasha Denona, Huda Beauty, OFRA Cosmetics. It's going to see some of the items that are going to be available for you to shop and add-ons. There is a little heart. If you click the heart, that's going to save in your favorites. Just a little pro tip. And so if these are something that you want to get, oh, they got the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette back. I'm already doing my shopping. Click on those favorites, baby. So you want those items, put it in your favorites. It's a little bit easier to shop those items if you have them in your favorites. And you know, they also let you know about it too when you click on it. But you'll see makeup, you'll be able to click on skincare. They're adding more and more all the time, so you can see those items that are going to be available. Of course, under hair, I'm so sad. I was really hoping for some Rose Plus Quartz because you know my obsession with that, and y'all keep buying it and Mama can't get her hands on it anymore. So hopefully they add more of that to it, because that Rose Plus Quartz condition, oh my gosh, they have Tan Luxe available. The Tan Luxe Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion, bomb.com. It's amazing. Save me one. I put it in my favorites. You should too, because it's really good stuff, and that is something that does sell out really quick. Okay, this was just a nice random chatty little video talking about all the things that I want to purchase. But again, definitely make sure to put that stuff in your favorites. It's much easier to go in there and shop the products. Add-ons, I'll warn y'all, add-ons does not seem to get as crazy as pop-up, but now with the sneak peek spoilers that they are showing us, it might get a little crazy. So again, set your timers or your calendar, mark your calendars for June 14th at 12 o'clock Eastern time to jump in there. Do I have my computer and my phone going at the same time? Yes. I want to get in there and I want those good deals. Let me know down below what are some of the items you are excited about. I'm telling you, the Tan Luxe Gradual Lotion, I'm hooked on it. That stuff is absolutely amazing, and if you can stock up on it, I definitely would. Of course, the Rose Plus Quartz, I don't see it in there yet, but fingers crossed, we definitely do see it. So many amazing makeup products. Again, I start my Christmas shopping this way. I'm rambling. I'm hopping off for now. Don't forget to give me a follow on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. Just popped up a Shein haul. By the time this video goes up, there will also be a Belle Lily haul over there. Lots of fun fashion. Make sure to sign up for Rakuten, not sponsored, but make that money. They've been having insane deals. I saw Ulta had 10% cash back. It's free to sign up. I'll leave my link down below. I think it's a $30 sign up bonus. So you get 30, I get 30, share your referral, you'll get another 30, your friend will get 30. It's endless. Why would you not want that free money? You know what I mean? Anyways, friends, until next time, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram at hotmessmomma04, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!